What's up everybody, and welcome back to another daily video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road. Today's video is going to be on this MGM Toyota Tacoma. This one's getting a King's package with CAMBURG tubular uniball upper control arms. We're doing the 2.5 remote reservoirs on them. For the rear lift, we're doing our AAL leaf system that adds about 1.5 inches of lift. Also, we're going to be doing some Icon compression alloy wheels. We're going to wrap them up in a 285/70/17 BFGoodrich KO2. It's always a struggle for us to find good monetizable music for YouTube, so don't mind this. This one's monetizable and it's a little bit different than our usual, but hey, everyone always has different tastes in music. Maybe someone will like it and someone might hate it. Here you can see our technician adjusting the front King coilovers to an actual 3 inches of lift. Our other tech Alex is preparing to install the upper control arms. Seen here are the matte black finish Icon compressions. These are a 17 by 8.5 with the 0 offset wheel. Our tech is installing the upper control arms here, as you can see. The King 2.5 remote reservoirs are already installed as well. The only thing left to do is mount up the reservoir after the upper control arms are tightened on. Rear AAL leaf has already been installed as well, and the King 2.5 remote reservoir shocks are being installed. And our tech is seen here mounting up the reservoir. 88 Rotors Off-Road is located in the city of South El Monte, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles. If you're looking to get some work done by us, please give us a call or shoot us an email over to sales@88rotors.com. You can find all of our contact information in the description below. Pretty good timing. Our suspension techs are almost completing their job here, and the wheel and tires are already mounted and balanced as well. Next step is to put them onto the vehicle and torque them down to spec before we bring it out for a quick test drive. Quality control is very important to us here at 88 Rotors. Our tech is going over all of his nuts and bolts and marking them with the white paint pen. We hope you guys are enjoying this video so far, and if you do so, please leave us a thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for our channel and this video itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. Also, don't forget, if you have any questions or comments, please drop them down below. We'll try our best to get back to every single one of them as soon as we can. Suspension work is done here, and the wheels and tires are being put on now. What do you guys think of the Icon compressions? Goodwill or not? Drop a comment down below and let us know. Also, another poll for you guys. BFGoodrich KO2s, some of them come with the white lettering. Do you guys prefer that on the outside or just like it clean and black on the outside like this? Drop a comment down below and let us know what you think. Here's another look at the rear end completed suspension install. As we complete the job, our other techs are going over the vehicle, making sure everything is working properly as expected.
I've been waiting for you. I've been waiting for you.
If you guys like what you see here on YouTube and want to see more, please check us out on Instagram. You can follow us at instagram.com/88rotors offroad, or just search it up on the app, 88 Rotors Offroad, and you'll see. You definitely can't go wrong with putting black wheels on a dark colored vehicle like this. It always makes the truck look more aggressive and mean. Definitely a great stance. Vehicle's down to the ground. We're going to torque down the wheels now and bring it out for a quick test drive.
I've been waiting for you. I've been waiting for you. I've been waiting.
And as a friendly reminder, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you also turn on the notification bell. That way you get notified every single day when we post a new daily video. If you guys want to see more detailed videos of this Voodoo Blue Tundra TRD Pro, please check our channel and just search up Voodoo Blue TRD Pro. Looks like we're just going to wrap it up right here with today's Tacoma video. Thank you very much for stopping on by and checking us out. We appreciate you doing so, and please leave a comment down below, ask any questions that you may have, and we'll get back to every single one of them. Until next time guys, hopefully tomorrow we'll see you again. What about Forerunners? Do you guys like them also? Here's a preview of tomorrow's video. Check this one out right here. This one's an MGM 5th Gen Forerunner that we also did a Kings and Icons setup on. Tune in tomorrow to check this one out.